In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a Shopify plan, disable the password protection, and make your website live on your Shopify store. First off, let's navigate to your Shopify account. Head over to the My Store section on your Shopify homepage. This is your command center, where you'll be managing everything from products to customer orders. From here, you'll want to click on the Select a Plan button. This step is essential because choosing a plan sets the foundation for your store's functionality and the features available to you. When you arrive at the plan selection page, you'll see several options. Take your time to review each plan carefully. It's important to evaluate which plan best fits your business needs and expected growth. Consider factors like transaction fees, customization capabilities, and available support. Once you've decided, simply check the box next to the plan you plan to subscribe to. After selecting your plan, you'll see an X button, which may be confusing at first. Clicking this isn't going to cancel your selection. Instead, it simply takes you back to the previous page. Now let's move to making your store live. Click on the Online Store option from the menu. This is where you can manage your store's themes, pages, blogs, and other online features. Next, go to Preferences. This section allows you to adjust various settings related to your store's SEO, Google Analytics, and most importantly, password protection. Within Preferences, you'll see a section for password protection. Normally, when you create a Shopify store, it's password protected by default, meaning customers can't view your store until it's live. To change this, look for the option to disable the password. This is often indicated by a highlight button. Click it to ensure your store is accessible to everyone, and then remember to hit Save. Saving changes is crucial to make sure your settings are updated in Shopify's system. With the password disabled, return to the Themes section. This area lets you customize the look and feel of your store, but today we're focusing on going live. Look for the View Your Store option. Clicking this will take you to a live preview of your store as customers would see it. This is your store's public face, so take a moment to explore and ensure everything appears as you want it. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now live. By following these steps, you have successfully chosen a plan and made your online store accessible to the world. Remember, keeping your store updated is an ongoing task, so revisit these settings as your shop grows and evolves. Happy selling, and I hope your journey in e-commerce is both fruitful and rewarding.